How to unlock disabled iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to iCloud.com. Then, tap on Sign In below. Tap on Sign In again. You require Face ID or passcode to continue. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the icon as shown. From here, tap on the Find My icon. Here, go to your device. And then, tap on Erase. Tap on Next to continue. All content and settings will now be erased. After all the steps are done, you should now be able to access a disabled iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily unlock disabled iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.